Ferry, Blue Bridge. Check-in kami mamaya. Yan yung aming ferry. Punta kami. Check-in. Check-in na kami sa loob ng ferry. Oh, Kinanan, Libya mat.
Libya always. Mama Jora and Mama Nora.
Mama Maynora, Mama Majora.
May itsura o wala.
Itsura o wala.
Pink lang na. Mga buwan, pesos na. Mga
Board.
kartang uban.
Board. Yan yung aming ferry. Malaki din yan, ha?
China shipping.
It's raining. So we're here. Dito na kami sa loob ng ferry. So, yeah.
Hindi mo nararamdaman.
Diyan yung bar. Dito naman yung viewing deck. At sa taas naman yung cabin. So doon. Dito kami sa viewing deck.
Huwag na.
Ha?
Mag-charge ka na lang sa car. 3 hours lang to.
Maulan. Maulan pa ba? Oo nga, maulan pa. Yay! Ito yung coffee area. Nice. So yeah, Castle Pond Lighthouse. New Zealand. Alright. Yan siya, guys. Alright. Oh. Meron naman siya spotlight paggabi. Pansin dito, oh. See? Ay. Yan. Castle Point po. Diyan sa aking likod. Castle Point, New Zealand. tayo dito. Put some carvings on it. And the castle is there.
You know what we did? You chip it off. Whoa, baby, you gotta go down.
Yes, kitang-kita.
How'd you do that?
Huh?
How'd you do that one?
What?
What did you use?
Yes.
Are you sure that's a stone?
No, it's like is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, may tapas dito.
Yeah, nandiyan siya sa Castle Point Lighthouse, New Zealand. Sige. New Zealand. And Francine doing hers.
I don't know how you did yours.
Yan, no? Ganda talaga ng New Zealand.
Please follow the pathway here. Huh? You can.
Okay. Dito kami sa Christchurch. And we're going to the Cave Rock. Cave Rock is right over there. So yeah. Maraming nagsasurf and swimming. That's the Cave Rock here in New Zealand, Christchurch. So, yeah, here we are. Cave Rock. At kita nyo naman, maraming nagsiswimming. Okay. Do we need to go in? I mean, in. Oh, that's the cave. ng Cave Rock. Oo, binidyo ko nga. And we go in. Going in, we're going in. So bali di ka makakapunta dito pag high tide. It's only low tide. So yeah. And we're here at the other side. We made it. That's the cave. Dito sila nag-over. Yung nakapasok pa dun sa kanya.
Someone to enjoy life with. Come on. If it's a bestie, yeah. It's so nice. This picture. Yeah. So nice. Oh my god. No.
Esplanade. Ay, ihi ako.
What's this one then?
It's a male. It's a male.
How do you know it's a male?
There's the balls.
Huh?
The balls are there.
Tulog eh. Tulog.
Busog yan.
Busog kasi.
Taba, no?
Taba. Yan. South Island.
Ganda?
Oo naman. Pre.
Sino yan? Asawa mo?
Hindi man. Kuan lang. Aha. Dual camera. Layo yung lalakaran ha. Pataas pa yan ha. Doon pa oh.
May anime doon. May hentai.
May hentay na doon no yun.
Nag-hentai na doon. raw.
What the hell?
Nandito na ako sa pinakataas ng mga stone and mountains. Dito si sa Castle Hill. So yeah. That's the mountain.
You'll arrive in 1 kilometer.
Kaya pa nasabi nila maganda ang Christchurch. Punta. Ayan na. Ganda talaga dito sa likod. Dapat may monitor tayong TV dito sa
Lanya kayo.
Turn left on Bowen Drive. Then turn left on Kitchener Drive.
Yan yung Mount Cook.
Asan si Francina?
Medyo nakatago siya eh. So yan. Pero still icy pa rin. Yan. Malayo-layo pa yung Mount Cook dito.
Just not thinking we're walking up there.
Yeah. Dito kami sa Elephant Rock. Yan, Elephant Rock.
That's ice.
Ice nga. Dito ka, Dad. Dad. Ano ka mo?
Ayan yung castle. Riverstone Castle dito sa
Ganda oh.
but the thing is Hindi kami pwedeng pumasok dahil nag-close na sila. So tomorrow again.
I'm gonna go down to the shop. I love you with my papa now. Marakukuhan ka din dyan.
So yan yung Cay Cliff again. Dito sa South Island ng New Zealand. Yes. At maglalakad ka mga 5 minutes walk from the car park. It's worth it naman. So yeah. Gusto mong pumasok sa daan ng Inferno. Diyan pumasok si Kwan, sila Aragon at saka sa Legolas, yan, sa Mountain of Ghost. Yan sila, yan. Yan sinat yung Lord of the Rings, honestly.
So yan.
So, that's the one.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Mommy, come here.
I think
Kunin mo nga yung mga anak mo.
I think the best view is over there. Not dito. You can just yes. Over there.
Siya yan. Anak ko naman
Isn't
yung
it beauty?
Chan.
O sige na, doon na kayo
Madali.
umihi.
Oy,
Ayan guys. Hello, good afternoon. Nandito kami sa Elephant Rock. Dito na yan sa malapit sa Dunedin. Papunta ng Dunedin. So malapit na kami sa Dunedin eh. Pinasyalan na rin namin. Ayan. Ayan si Uncle, lalaro ng drone. At ayun yung drone niya. Alright.
oh, kinana.
Sabi niya, putang ina, pagulong mo pa na nagiba. Tamo, hindi siya stable, no?
Hindi.
Kasi clay lang yan eh. Malambot yan pagkon. Honestly. Pag nababasa siya ng ulan. So yeah. And it's a good thing also that we're here. Because first,
Dead end?
it's not raining. And apparently sa North Island may bagyo ngayon. So yeah. Pero hindi naman apektado ang South. So yeah.
Oh my god, there's stones. Oh my god. Really? Oh, that's pretty.
Huh.
Ashley dito. Ashley. Dito.
Yes. Nakakapagod. Honestly. Ayoko na.
Oh.
Tapos busog pa ako.
Ayoko na. Animated Tarzan.
So, that's the clip. Guys. Clip.
Whoa. I look you want my papa now.
And actually it's a trail. Walk trail. So yeah. We're gonna have to walk. Maybe just a 5 minutes walk. Yeah.
Naku, patay. Doon ka kay mami mo. Kahapon na ako, ikaw doon.
Wala. Manipis lang yung sweater ko.
Where you going? Where are you going?
Ayan o, sabi ko
going?
sa'yo, it's wild roses. Those are wild roses.
Where you going?
It's a wild rose.
Tao flowers ka nung. Bye.
Wow. It's a worth walking home.
Yung Ghost Mountain. No, the Ghost Mountain of Isildo.
Isildo?
Oo. The king niya eh.
Wala?
The king without a kingdom.
Oo.
Dito yun. Yung pass, ministry pass.
Yep.
The Ghost Army nga eh.
Ay, oo.
Ito to.
Kung ito,
Nakapagod. Saka busog. At malamig na rin. It's like 4 degrees. Oras ngayon is 10:21 ng umaga. So yeah. So, which way? Is this way? Or down this way? Huh? That way direction? Or in my back direction? I think this way.
I mean, that's where they went.
That's where they went.
Is it this way?
Ah,
I have no idea.
no idea, but you can see the
No.
cliff over here.
I think here.
Huh? Here?
Pag ganun, kasi doon yung front.
Huh.
Diba yun?
But you actually can actually saw the cliff over there.
Ini-ay nila yung army. Ng buwan.
What's this one? Hey, I see the eye.
So yeah. Nandito kami ngayon sa Signal Hill, Dunedin.
Ate, come here before the lighting goes away. Please. 2, 1.
Ayan yung Dunedin.
Can I see?
There's the Dunedin City.
What is that? A bird dog. Pagod na pagod eh.
Yan. Signal Hill.
Hair shines the brightest.
And
Actually, it's my hair.
then yung sunset.
Ganda ng sunset. Magpa-picture ka with your kids. Wala kang picture.
So yeah.
Where about it? Thank you.